toothpaste Colgate Pocket Light has hydrogen peroxide that goes below the tooth surface. For a smile that's
Somebody said ew. Bitch, don't say ew to my fucking son.
Colgate Optic Light works.
Bitch.
Red Lobster's endless shrimp is back for just
Let me meet this motherfucking TV. You guys are moving, I'm making boxes, my room is a mess, bitch, I'm trying to pack it up. Literally, my room is a fucking train wreck. I can't even show you guys, I'm literally so embarrassed. Oh my god, I'm so fucking ugly. I'm not that ugly, you guys, so don't think. You guys, I'm not moving out of LA. I'm just moving to West Hollywood. I'm moving to West Hollywood from downtown LA. I spilled blue eyeshadow on my fucking carpet yesterday. Of course, right before I move out. Because my life can never be easy. My life has to be hard all the fucking time. So now I have to fucking get a goddamn carpet cleaner. But I'm about to put this box together. Well, I'm about to try to put this box together because my room is very messy. I'm literally moving right now. So, you guys see any mess? Like, please don't judge. Like, it's really fucking... You guys, also, I can't see no viewer. Like, I can't... On my live thing, like, on this phone, for some reason, it just doesn't show my viewers. I don't know how to put this box together. Is this the lid? Did I rip this off? I think I ripped this off. How do I do this? Do I rip this off? I do. This is the lid. So, move! So this is the lid. Oh. Sorry, you guys are sitting on my bed. You guys can probably hear me now. Hold on, let me get on live on my other phone. BRB.